what is the procedure that new state is formed in India? Condition number 1 or step number 1, presidential reference is sent to state assembly. So the process is initiated by center. From president, the reference is sent to state assembly. Second step, after presidential reference, a resolution is tabled and passed by assembly. So that is the most important thing, because we can't do anything without consent of the state. Now third thing, assembly has to pass a bill creating the new state. So that is coming from assembly, that means state government. Then step number 4, same bill to be passed by parliament but separately. It is not that it is passed in states, therefore it can be there in the center. So a separate bill has to be passed by parliament, and then a new state is created.